China will always hold high the banner of peace, development, cooperation, and mutual benefits. China will always stand ready to safeguard world peace, contribute to global development, and preserve international order. China will always work together with all countries to promote a more just and equitable global governance system for a future of peace, security, prosperity, and progress. China will work with Kenya to ensure the zero tariff measures take effect at an early date so that our peoples can benefit sooner.